Take a ride in the 2021 RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, chrome wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, FWD, privacy glass, integrated turn signal mirrors, remote trunk release. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.